What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I am heading over to a Dominican burger spot that has gotten very popular recently. They have a really unique looking burger. It's a double smash patty with like a fried Dominican cheese on it, crispy fried Dominican cheese, and it looks delicious. I'm probably just going to try the burger. The rest of the menu does look good, but I really just want to try that burger, and if that's good, I'll go back another time and try the rest. I've got a little something different going on right now. I've got a chin mount on. I got my 360 cam on the chin mount so that it has a little bit extra stability. I should have a nice smooth ride look to this video. I've got my chest mount regular GoPro on my chest for backup and for audio. So I'm interested to see how it goes. You have to let me know what you think. You might have to edit out some head turning and stuff like that. But I've got this setup going on my new helmet by the Beam, the Virgo. I have to wear glasses with this helmet because the visor shield, just for whatever reason, there must be some sort of design flaw with it. It's just, the wind is just brutal on my eyes. It just gets right in, hits your eyes. I don't know if it has something to do with the portals on the ear. Maybe the wind gets in there and then circulates around and makes its way back to the front of the visor and bounces around in there and just hits your eyeballs. So I got to see what's going on. Maybe try riding with some sort of thing over the ears. I don't know, we'll see. But even with my glasses, it's a little bit, my eyes are a little bit watery, teary. This place is on Baxter Street, which is Chinatown Civic Center area. So I am on Madison Street. I'm going to take this all the way to the end and make a couple of little zigzag turns, and it should be right there. It is definitely chilly. It's in the 20s today, cloudy. I'm bundled up. I got lots of layers on. Trying to stay warm. I didn't bring any heated attire out. It's just a little bulky. Between that and all the video equipment, I just didn't want to bother with it. Hopefully there's a good place to lock up the bike and have some visuals on the bike while I eat. Sit inside, stay warm. A lot of people running three-point turns and illegal U-turns here on this street. It's quite annoying. That's how people on bikes get killed. Taking this right here, if this car would ever complete its turn. Get out in front of these people. Get on this side, do a little splitting here. Try not to get doored. So now what I have to do is cut across Bowery and take my first right off of Worth Street, coming up. That's not necessary, people. All right, here we go. Take this right here into the historic 5 Points neighborhood. If you've ever watched Kill Bill, not Kill Bill. The hell's the name? Gangs of New York with Bill the Butcher. This is where it took place, right? Basically where this park is now is where that battle, that pitched battle took place. Pretty crazy. Leonardo DiCaprio, great performances all around. Let's see. Bayard's going the wrong direction, but I'm going to take that turn anyway. Yeah, amazing performances in that movie. Daniel Day-Lewis, just astonishing. Let's see, take this right. This is also against the grain of traffic, but I don't care. This place is going to be, oh, they got this, they're doing some weird work over here. Building came down. So this place is right here on the right, El Sazon. Let me see if I can find a spot to park. These cars are nut to butt. Here it is, right here. Yeah, I can lock up on these things. How are you? Could I get the double smash burger with the fried cheese?
You want to throw onions on it too, or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
You said single or double?
Double.
Double, Daniel, with Dominican fried cheese.
No onion or bacon?
No, thanks.
You want pickles?
Huh?
Pickles?
Yes.
Dang it.
Be careful, there's drinks there. What order is the package?
All right, El Sazon. That was good. The cheese, definitely the way to go. It's like a thicker version of mozzarella. It's mild, it's white, creamy, but still has a snap. Nicely smashed little burger. Double patties was the way to go. I didn't want to make it too thick and big and take away from some of those flavors by adding bacon or onion, but maybe next time I'll try that. It was tasty, man. I really liked it. It stayed warm the whole time, even while I cut it in half and took pictures and everything, took video. Definitely want to go back and try some of the other stuff. The pernil looked great. Sides look good. So yeah, El Sazon, man, great burger. They griddled the top of the bun too, which credit to my friend George Tappy, kind of started the trend of doing that, and now it's everywhere. It's ubiquitous with smash burgers. You gotta griddle the top bun too. It's just a thing. So yeah, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the pictures, all the details. You know how it goes. You've been watching these long enough now. And as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma!